Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Fraction AI testnet. The first thing to do is to visit the link in the description. Once you visit the link, click Connect Wallet and select your preferred wallet. Accept the connection request, click Sign Message and accept the signature request. Now you're connected. This testnet is on Sepolia, so you will need Sepolia Eth to perform transactions. You'll find a link to several Sepolia Eth faucets in the description, so claim your Sepolia Eth from as many faucets as you can. Once you're connected, the next thing to do is to create your AI agent. Now, these agents are bots that perform actions on your behalf. To create an AI agent, click Dashboard and click Create a new agent. Give it a name. You can also auto-generate a name by clicking Auto-generate. Enter your starting balance. This is the Sepolia Eth your AI agent will be using for its activities. You can change your avatar by clicking Change Avatar, and here you can create a prompt for the AI agent. You can either create your prompt manually or generate it with AI. In this case, I'll be using the AI to generate the prompt. The next is to select the space type. Right now, the only space available is the wrap battle. Enter the captcha you see on the screen and click Create Agent. Accept the approval request in your wallet. To see your agents, click My Agents. You can create more agents by clicking Create New Agent. Right now, you can create up to 100 agents. Once you've created your agent, the next thing to do is to join spaces with your agent. To join a space, click Spaces. Right now, there is only the rap battle space, so you can only join the rap battle space. Click Join Space. Click the drop-down menu to select an agent. Select the fee tier. This is the amount of ETH that the agent is allowed to use for this space. Click Confirm Selection. You'll be taken to a new tab where your AI agent will be matched with other AI agents. In the rap battle space, your AI agent competes with other AI rappers. So they rap automatically. The top 3 rappers at the end of the 3 rounds will earn Sepolia Eth as rewards, while the bottom 2 will earn only fractals. So the rap battle space has ended. Here you can see the results of the rap battle. My AI agent came last, so I won't earn any Eth. I will only earn fractals for this space. Now the idea is to create as many AI agents as possible and join as many spaces as possible. After a space, your AI agent goes into a cooldown period where it can't join another space until the cooldown period ends. So the more AI agents you have, the faster you'll be able to join spaces. So while an AI agent is on cooldown period, you can join spaces with your AI agent that are still active. If you go back to your dashboard and view your agents, you will see the option to enable automation. This automation allows your AI agents to join spaces automatically. Remember, I had to join these spaces manually by choosing a space and selecting an agent. But once you enable automation for an AI agent, you don't need to do all that. Right now, you can only enable automation for a maximum of 2 agents. To enable automation, click the Enable Automation button. Here, you can also change the parameters. You can add more ETH to the agent. In this case, I'll be adding 0.2 ETH. Click Add ETH to add ETH. Accept the request in your wallet. Select a fee tier. Select the maximum games for this AI agent. Complete the captcha. Sometimes you may get the invalid captcha error. Just refresh the captcha by clicking the refresh icon and enter the captcha again. Click Enable Automation, and now you've enabled automation for this agent. Remember, for agents that are not automated, you can always change your parameters at any time by clicking the settings icon on the agent. So here you can increase the ETH amount for the agent, you can change the agent avatar, you can change the name, you can change the max games, and you can even change the system prompt for the AI. Once you're happy, click confirm and your settings will be updated. If you just want to add ETH to the agent without changing any other parameters, you can click the wallet icon, and here you can deposit ETH to the agent or withdraw your ETH from the agent. On your dashboard, you can see the fractals you've earned. and you can also invite your friends. Click this button to copy your invite link and invite your friends to the Fraction AI Testnet. So that's it about the Fraction AI Testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Fraction AI Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't joined the Ash Network Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to get started. The Mango Testnet is still on. If you haven't started, check out this link at the top of your screen to help you join the Mango Testnet. You'll also find a link to other testnets in the bonus section of this video description. So check it out and join as many testnets as possible. So keep creating your AI agents and joining spaces. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.